Conna stá Peadar Goill and Shaw le Bloc TG car. Shot an law déirnach go all together now. Stan féile do shetje le chéad bblion wan ma antainne ves agus a nocht sé can gona buch pinti rumsa Talos. Tá senim ag cúig carach a cúig agus for my deis leart le Alex. Alex, conna sa tá tú?
Tá mé go má bugus le dia.
Will tú baint tainne ves an féile?
Sé tá ban tanna vas an féile.
Alex, thanks for speaking some Goill with us.
Not a bother.
So you're playing tonight. What stage?
Yeah, something kind of wonderful.
Is this your first outdoor festival of the year with Talos?
It is, yes. The one, I think it's the only one we're doing this summer in Ireland that's outdoors.
And is that because you're hiding away writing new music?
It is, yes. We're being very aloof this summer and keeping ourselves to ourselves.
You're
Get some work done.
You're after signing a huge deal, aren't you?
Yes, we signed to Sony BMG in April. Was it March? No, March, when we were over in the States. So yeah, basically we just we re-released the album with a new EP. Then there's a new album coming out, hopefully beginning of next year. So it's all being written at the moment.
Yeah, really exciting times for Talos.
Yeah.
When did you get involved with the project?
Just over 2 years ago now. So I was living away in Australia and New Zealand and stuff for a while, and I came back to help a friend set up a bar, and then ended up. Well, my brothers are in the band as well, so they kind of suggested that I come in and try out for guitar.
It's 3 brothers in the band, isn't it?
3 brothers and our best friend, yeah.
That's amazing. So do you think that tight-knit group adds to the...
Oh yeah, 100%, yeah. Definitely live. Like, it's just, I can't really... It's kind of like, we all expected it to happen in one way, but it's also like, we're extremely grateful we get to do it, so it's pretty special.
So this time next year, what do you expect Talos to be doing?
This time next year we will be touring our second album somewhere in the world, hopefully America. We've got some more dates here and there as well at the end of the year, so we've got some in Europe and some more to be announced, but yeah, be on the road I imagine around this time next year.
And as a well-travelled man, Alex, what do you think of All Together Now for its first year?
It's great. It's such a great, like, the grounds are just amazing. Phenomenal house back here, and it's such a good mix of people. It's really chill. Everyone's really happy. There's no kind of what's the word? Careful with how I say it.
No aggro.
No aggro on board.
No, it's great. It seems to be really happy.
Yeah, really happy.
Yeah. So thanks very much, Alex, and I hope you enjoy the show tonight. I'll be bopping along there side stage. Agus sin Alex and sin as Talos, be sin sin man nocht ma sul gomorled ekal, agus be fade mach ob sin.